Imagine the Andromeda Galaxy looming huge in the pitch-black night sky, just like the full moon. It's a mind-bending, awe-inspiring thought, isn't it? The Andromeda Galaxy is actually approaching us rapidly at about 250,000 miles per hour. That's incredibly fast, but still too slow for our comfort levels. If Andromeda were as close as the moon, its sheer enormous size would stretch across over 200 times the full moon's width, visibly in the sky. That's not just a pretty stunning cosmic view, it's a cosmic game-changer. Gravity would start playing intense havoc with Earth's massive ocean tides strongly. Tidal forces would be so incredibly strong that they'd cause massive earthquakes, violent volcanic eruptions, and chaotic weather patterns everywhere. The gravitational pull would also gradually slow down Earth's rotation, making our days significantly longer. Not exactly a welcome drastic change. As Andromeda draws closer, its stars would shine brighter, potentially outshining the sun visibly during the day, slowly and steadily. With Andromeda's intense radiation and high-energy particles, Earth's atmosphere would be ionized, affecting satellite communications. Aurora displays would be a mesmerizing daily spectacle everywhere, but potentially hazardous radiation poses a significant environment concern always. Planetary alignments and asteroid perturbations would become more frequent due to Andromeda's increasing gravitational influence on our solar system. The combined light from Andromeda's numerous stars would make it entirely possible to read clearly at night without artificial light sources nearby. However, the significantly increased starlight would also make it much harder for astronomers to effectively study distant galaxies and celestial objects. Andromeda's central black hole would slowly start to affect Earth's delicate orbit, potentially destabilizing our entire planet's orbital path completely. The galaxy's proximity would also trigger the formation of numerous new stars in the Milky Way, significantly altering its overall structure and composition gradually. As the two galaxies interact dramatically, new celestial objects and star clusters would form, enriching the vast cosmic landscape significantly always. But let's not forget, a significantly closer Andromeda Galaxy would mean a much stronger gravitational tug on our entire solar system naturally. Comets and asteroids would be severely perturbed, potentially sending some massive ones hurtling towards the entire inner solar system suddenly. The increased risk of impacts would necessitate new comprehensive strategies for planetary defense systems and advanced asteroid detection technologies. Meanwhile, the night sky would be ablaze with the dazzling light of countless new stars born from the galaxy collision's cosmic chaos slowly unfolding. It's a cosmic dance, with Andromeda Galaxy and Milky Way performing an intricate, mesmerizing gravitational waltz slowly in space together. This cosmic dance would reshape the very fabric of our galaxy, creating new patterns, intricate structures, and mesmerizing celestial harmonies slowly. The merged galaxy would likely have a drastically different shape, with numerous stars and gas dramatically rearranged throughout its vast structure. Our understanding of galaxy evolution would be completely rewritten, providing new profound insights into the complex merger process suddenly. For a few million dazzling years, the merged galaxy would shine remarkably brighter, a brilliant cosmic beacon radiating in the vast universe. The dramatic effects on Earth's climate, due to gradual changes in the planet's orbit and the increased solar radiation, would be truly profound always. As the galaxy merger rapidly progresses, the dramatically changing night sky would inspire a new generation of astronomers and poets alike suddenly. With the combined galaxy's vast resources now, the potential for the emergence of entirely new life forms and ecosystems could significantly increase. However, the harsh cosmic radiation and drastically changed environment might severely challenge the survival of life as we know it today already. The Andromeda Galaxy's proximity would become a defining feature of our planet's identity, shaping our culture and science. So, if Andromeda were as close as the moon, the universe would be a very different, thrilling, and unpredictable place. Share this mind-blower with a friend.